Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Wings. This is Vardhan. How are you all today? Well, I'm back with another exciting and interesting video of unboxing my new Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. I received this device yesterday and in this video I'm going to unbox the device. But before I do that, there is an important announcement from Tech Wings. That is, from today onwards, I am going to make videos in two languages. One in English and the other in my native language Telugu. So any of you who are willing to watch the same content even in Telugu, I will leave the link to the Telugu video in the description below. So you can click on the link and watch the same video in Telugu as well. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and unbox Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. Let's get started. So this is the box in which this device comes in, and if you look at the box, it's a very slim packaging, and on one side it says Galaxy, and on the front it actually says 21, and there is a big yes there in the color that you actually have bought the device. And on the other side it just has a Samsung branding, and the other side it says Galaxy. And if you look at the bottom, it shows you the ROM and the RAM that is available in the device that you just bought. So I bought a very basic version, 256 GB RAM and ROM and 12 GB RAM, and we just have to cut these two seals over here, and we'll do that once we break these seals. Once the seals are cut, okay, this is the device itself, guys. So the device is looking, the first instance, it's very beautiful and it's looking very premium. Let's see what's inside the box. And these days, you know, there is nothing else in the box except for the USB-C charger cable, and there is some warranty card and also the quick start guide. So let me put these two things aside, and then let's look at what else we have in here in the box. There is nothing else, so let's put these aside, and let's quickly have a look at the device itself. And the device is actually pretty good. There is a cover here, and there is also a back plastic, and there is also three plastics. Okay, but the color is good. I like this color, and the camera arrangement is really good. So if you look at on the other side, it has got volume rockers, and then you have a power button here, and this metal goes along the bottom, and the bottom you can see there is a stereo speaker, and then you have a USB-C connector, and you have a SIM ejector. And if you look at the top, then you have the two microphones, a noise cancellation microphone, and then on the left hand side you don't have anything. It looks little heavy for me because I was using iPhone 7, so this is looking I'm feeling a little heavy. So let's see. I mean, it comes with a pre-installed screen protector, so that's why I can feel that the edges actually, you can see that it comes with a screen protector, factory installed screen protector, and the camera is looking beautiful. I mean, these lenses and the arrangement, it's looking excellent. So let me just turn this device on, and while the device boots up, let me tell you that the Samsung S21 series comes in three variants: S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra 5G. All the S21 series comes in actually all the S21 series supports 5G network. And yeah, it says Samsung Galaxy, and it is booting up. Okay guys, now I have set this device up, and I have also configured my fingerprint scanner, and the fingerprint scanner is very fast. You can see that, you know, it's really very fast and responsive. Okay, it's very fast. And the screen is looking excellent, but let me tell you that when you actually first do this, you will not get the whole QHD plus resolution here. So because this comes with a QHD plus resolution support, but by default, just to optimize the battery, you will not get that by default. So what you have to do is you have to quickly go to settings, and from settings you have to go to the display, and in the display here you have the screen resolution. If you want, you can make it QHD plus, but it says sharpest visuals, most battery use. So if you are looking to get the visual experience better, then choose this option, or else basically the device comes by default in this setting, which comes with a FHD plus resolution, and you can just apply, and this uses the moderate battery life. And if you're using HD plus, it's the lowest battery life, but again I'm not sure how best visual experience you have, because such a beautiful screen, I would love to use the screen to its fullest capacity. So I have selected this QHD plus, and so because this comes in 8K resolution, let me play one 8K video so that you will be able to understand the video quality as well as the audio quality. So you can see. And as you can see guys, this I'm just this is at the full volume, and this is how the volume is. So let me reduce the volume, and I will tell you the adaptive brightness on this screen is excellent. I would say this is not running in the highest brightness. If I increase, this can go up to almost, like you see, this is not even half. So if I increase the brightness, this is going up to very high, I would say. Look at this, it's going up to 1500 knots, and look at that brightness. And it also gives you a warning that watching at this high brightness is not good for your eyes. And really I feel so, because the colors are so vibrant, and it's excellent. So the adaptive brightness on this I would say is really good. So let me reduce this. So that's how it is, guys. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. So I will use this mobile for another couple of weeks, and then I will come back with another detailed review video, especially on the camera part. So if you have any questions, please don't forget to ask them via the comment section below, and please do subscribe to my channel, and please like and share this video with your family and friends. You have a great day, and take care.